Nowadays, nature-themed reels are going viral all over the internet, especially on Instagram. There's this faceless Instagram account that has gained over 400,000 followers in just a few months and is now earning thousands of dollars every month. In this video, I'm going to show you, with solid proof, how they're generating this income. The best part about this niche is that you can create similar videos in just a few minutes without spending much time on scripts or voiceovers. You only need 3 things: a list of prompts, a text-to-image AI, and an image-to-video AI. I've already prepared a list of the best prompts to help you create stunning images, but hold off on that for now, because if you skip this video, you won't be able to achieve similar results. You'll miss the tricks and techniques needed to make money with a similar account, and you'll miss out on the opportunity to potentially earn at least $5,000 per month from these videos. So make sure to stay until the end. Let's first take a look at this account called Naturaeon to see the quality of its content and how it managed to gain such a large number of followers in a short time. If we check out the reels, we'll find that they are just AI-generated images with simple motion and background music. So we'll try to create similar videos using free AI tools. To make a similar video, we'll go through 3 steps. The first step is generating AI images. For that, we'll be using an amazing AI tool called Leonardo AI. You'll find the link in the video description. Quickly sign in using your Google account, and you'll land on a page filled with impressive AI-generated images from Leonardo AI. This tool isn't completely free, but with a free account, you get 150 credits per day, which is more than enough for what we're doing. Click on the image creation option, and you'll arrive at a prompt box where you can type in your commands. I've prepared a document file for you that contains more than 20 prompts to help you create images like these. You'll find the link in the channel's description. Just click on the channel and then on the link, and you'll find all the files mentioned in the tutorial. These prompts are available for free in the video description, and you can also modify them to get more unique results. If you use Midjourney AI, you can use these same prompts to generate even higher quality images. Make sure to choose the right aspect ratio. I'm selecting 9:16, but 2:3 is another good option. Then, go to the presets and choose the anime preset. Click to generate, and in just a few seconds, you'll see your image. As you can see, I've already created some fantastic images using this AI tool. You can find all these prompts in the description, and if you need more, you're welcome to join my free Discord server. Step 2 is converting those images into animated videos. This is also done within Leonardo AI, but we will use another tool called Immersity AI, which will also animate your images. I'm currently using their affordable paid plan, but they do offer a free version as well. This video is not sponsored. I'm recommending these tools simply because I like them. After logging into Immersity AI, you'll upload your image, and the tool will start animating it automatically. You can adjust the animation styles to your preference. When you're satisfied with the result, click on the export button to save your animation. If you want your video to be longer than 10 seconds, you can use video editing software like CapCut, which is free and available on most devices. You can also upscale the quality of your video using the CapCut website. Just upload your video on the site, click on the upscale tool, and wait for a while. The video quality will be improved with no watermark, and it's completely free. Finally, how can you make money with an Instagram page like this? The first way is to sell these images on a site like Buy Me a Coffee, as the account we mentioned earlier does. But I also recommend something more professional, like creating a free store on a site like Printify and earning money from these images by creating various products like phone cases, printed t-shirts, and wall art designs. Honestly, there are many ways you can make money from this type of content. Just focus on building your audience and your products. Try to post at least 2 to 3 reels per day and engage with your audience's comments, as those who comment are the most interested in your products. Don't forget that.